Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change your Nissan Juke key battery. First, identify your specific key type to ensure you have the correct replacement battery. Most Nissan Juke keys use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new CR2032 battery. Finally, set up a clean, well-lit workspace to make the process smooth and prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the key casing. This is where you'll begin to separate the two halves. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, slowly twist the screwdriver. This action will gently pry apart the two sections of the key fob, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you insert the new one correctly. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, it's crucial to test the key fob. Head to your Nissan Juke and try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm everything is working correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description below for links to smart speaker deals and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.